Hello friends, today we are going to discuss is given array is sorted or not. So the given array is 1 5 4 3. We know that this array is not sorted, because if the array is sorted it means it will in ascending order or it will totally in descending order, but it is not in that way. So how can we sort that array? Okay, how can we find that is this array is sorted or not? So first of all, it is very easy. Is easiest way I will going to explain you. Just listen me very carefully. Okay, first of all, we should traverse that array. So for int, it will start with 1 and I less than arr dot length, then I plus plus. So now you are going to ask me that why should we start with 1 not with 0? As always we are starting with 0, but here why we start with 1? So the simple logic is that first of all we are going to check that is this array is smaller greater than this or not. Okay, after that, is this array is greater or not? Okay, so if we are going to check you through by index 1, okay, at second values, so I am starting with index 1, I am starting with this. Okay, how can we compare? We are taking two elements. Just first of all I am taking arr of I for checking, and second is arr of I minus 1. Okay, so in this I explain the condition. If arr of I is greater than arr of I minus 1, okay, so it will return nothing. Okay, else what should it will return? It will return false. So now you are going to ask me, why should we take I minus 1 not we taking I plus 1? So it's a simple logic. We know the length, only the length of an array. Okay, we know the length of an array. Okay, if I'm going to give I plus 1, so whenever it will came at this, because this value once in a while comes in that place. Okay, if it will came in that place, then it will compare with this. So we found an error. What this error is? That error is the element is out of bound. Okay, so that's why we have started with this. So whenever we are starting with array of I means we are starting with 1. Okay, first at first index, so it's I minus 1, the 0th index. 0 is greater than 2 is greater than 0th index, 1 is not or not, so it is false. Okay, true. After that it will check, and at last here it will finish that. Okay, so now, so that's why we are taking this. After that we close the loop, we close the if condition, and at last we return tr true. Okay, so it will the easiest way to check the array is sorted or not. Okay, so if you love this video, or if you this video is valuable for you, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more interesting problem solving videos. Thank you.